Well, hey, good morning, everybody. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update. This is Jen at Jekyll Bait Company, and we've got a few baits to get through. There's a couple of new processes that we're kind of in the works with, and we are definitely going to be updating and adding a new line onto the website. And a lot of it deals with, it's a pattern that's sort of, it's been around for a little bit, but there's not a whole lot of people that are doing it, and a whole lot of people that are making effective patterns out of it. But for example, this little guy right here is baby bass, and you can see the crackle in the background on it. And up top, it's got that natural scaling effect. Super detailed, very effective bait. This is on a shad wrap pattern. Got a couple little bubbles that we got to get off, but that'll pop right off. These are just out of clear coat. This is in a blunt nose minnow pattern. A little more dark brown on top and yellow. There's no green at all like what we have on the baby bass. This is a pretty good veining pattern. This is on a 2.5 square bill. Also an extremely effective pattern. Now what this does with the red background is it gives a distressed look. There we go, there you are. Gives a distressed look and exposed veins on a bait that's being chased. Did the same thing with a crappie. We have the veining underneath and the overlay on top. Very natural pattern. Now the stenciling on this is the Lure Color Studios Jonas Summers laser cut. I think he uses a 3D mapping imager to cut stencils these days. Pretty advanced technology for stencils in the line of custom crankbait painting. So if you guys are in the market for some stencils, or you're getting started with working on custom lures, check out Lure Color Studio. He's out of Australia. Not inexpensive to get the stencils, but well worth the price. Again, this is the detail in this. It's pretty neat, huh? And I don't want to run too long. We've just got a few more to get through. Just so you guys know, and I don't know if you're in the market to work in this craft, it's a great line of work to get into. Not an easy market to get into. I also do touch-ups. I do reseals. This is getting ready to get touched up. It's got a couple of little scrapes. You know, if you have confidence baits that you really like to throw, this is a Rapala shad wrap and a craw pattern. Yeah, and the bill's beat up. So we're just going to go ahead and reseal that for the customer and do a couple of little touch-up jobs for it. But this is the time. This is definitely the time, pre-season, to get those orders in. We've got some fluorescent perch. But yeah, just super happy with some of the new work that's coming out. Few trout patterns, and of course we still do the minnows. Love working with Dinger S cranks. And that is it for right now. Thanks for hanging out, checking out what the shop has got going on. This is the Dead-Eyed Jack, or Jack the Ripper as it were, since this is a rip bait, lipless on a Uruku shad. You guys have a fantastic day. Enjoy your week. Warm weather's right around the corner. Can't wait for it. Get after them. Happy casting.